The best high school rocket team in the world is from Missouri, Festus High School to be specific. The 10-student team won first place in the Team America Rocketry Challenge last spring against 100 other teams from high schools throughout the United States. The Festus team then went on to the International Rocketry Challenge in Paris, where it won first place against teams from several other countries. The Rocketry Challenge brings together teams of middle and high school students who design, build, and launch model rockets with the goal of inspiring young people to become engaged in science, technology, engineering, and math-related careers. Festus senior Joel Marler is a member of the team, and he says the competition takes lots of preparation.
So we built a rocket with the specifications for the TARC challenge, and then we developed our own system of data and components to modify it and fine-tune the altitude and the time for descent. And so we ended up doing about 60 test flights, I believe, by the end of it, and it was time for qualification, and we sent 3 flights up, and in the end we made it, so yeah.
The competition works like this. Each team is required to build a model rocket, load it with a raw egg, launch the rocket to a specified height, usually around 800 feet, and return it to Earth safely within 42 to 44 seconds. Oh yes, and the egg must return to Earth unbroken. Marler says participating on the rocket team has influenced what he wants to study after completing high school.
I think it's really narrowed my interest, because initially, I always knew probably engineering, but now it's kind of narrowed towards aerospace. It's, the success is, a good show that I'm pretty good at it, I think. So, I'd like to continue with it.
Rocket team sponsor Devin Lorenz says the activity teaches important skills such as teamwork, in addition to the academic benefits for the students.
And they've got some real-world problem-solving skills now that they may not have had otherwise. They have done some hard math, some hard sciences now as part of this project, and once again got to actually apply it to something, not just a worksheet. For their futures, they've got national champion, world champion on their resumes and job applications now, college applications. They've all got a letter on White House letterhead from a person we met over there now, a recommendation letter. They each have one of those.
The rocket team has become a popular activity at Festus High School. Lorenz says this year he had 40 students apply for 3 open spots on the team. During our visit to Festus, the team tested a rocket at a park near the high school. To prepare for the launch, the students set up the launch structure, assembled the rocket, calculated the wind speed and direction, packed the egg in the nose cone, and attached the rocket to the frame. Then it was time to launch.
3, 2, 1.
Uh, 718 to ejection.
The flight was a success. And what about the egg? It returned to Earth without a scratch.
This.
Take the top part off.
Doesn't look right. Okay.
Yeah, just take the top off.
Take the top part off.
Looks good to me.
Yeah, it's good though.
High school students in Missouri excelling in an international science competition. One more reason to stand up for Missouri's public schools.